Now imagine if you lost on this one. Right now, partner, you're rich, right? Because you got in on one of these, and look at this. Even if you lost on this one and you made a little bit on this one's the payday. See it, everybody? Yeah, and we never cherry pick our trades, right? And that's the other thing you got to be careful with news too, right? Because it did all this and then it finally had a pop, but you probably got burned in here because you panicked off of this. So again, if this was your failure, you never entered this one, you can't. None of those are higher than the other. You got in here, you made money, winner. You got in here and now you're rich. That's it. Right. And there's no reason if you traded Netflix on the 2-minute EWO today, you're not successful unless you cherry picked your trade. That means you are only choosing to get into particular ones you want.
It means you're trying to pick the top and the bottom.
Yeah, it means this. It means you went, oh, I'm going to get in this one. Oh, damn, I got burned. And then you're like, oh, you know what? I'm going to get in this one. Oh, damn, I got burned. You know what? I'm not doing this one because you didn't do every one of them that I tell you guys to do every day. You didn't make any money, did you?